I'm Mershad from iPresta team, the Premium PrestaShop Partner. Today I'm going to review the iPresta SEO and SMO Assistant module, which is the world's most complete SEO solution right now. To keep this video short and effective, I will explain all parts very fast, and I will get into the details on the parts that I think they are necessary for you to know more in details. Well, this module can be installed on both PrestaShop 1.6 and 1.7 versions, and after the installation of modules, it has two sections. The first section is the modules configuration page that can be accessed from the modules menu and the modules and services submenu, or you can easily access it from the quick access bar and click on SEO Assistant menu. After the installation, you can see it listed inside the installed modules, and you can click on the configure button. This module have two sections, and each section have a few tabs. The first section are the information that you cannot change actually, like introduction, how to get started with this module, the link to the documentation, and also one of the most important parts is the report center. Here you can see the SEO related preferences of your shop and how they are working. For instance, it will check if your shop is on maintenance mode, and it will warn you if your shop is on maintenance mode and you are not maintaining your shop, and it will tell you that you should disable the maintenance mode. And it checks if you are using the SSL, if your SSL is activated on all of your pages, and also it will check if your shop URLs are friendly, and then it will check your shop title if the title of your shop is friendly, and it actually check the length of your shop for each language. And the next part, it will check that if the HTML purifier preference is activated on your shop. The next step is the next important tab of this module. Here inside the product SEO report, you can see the SEO unfriendly product listed. For instance, I have a product called Hummingbird printed t-shirt, which the meta title and meta description of this product is blank, and I have not filled this information for this product. And after that, I have the same product. It checks the product for all the enabled languages of your shop, all the languages that you use inside your shop, and it will check the information for each language separately. And so here you can see that the ID number 1, which is the Hummingbird printed t-shirt, has some issues with SEO, and I should go to the catalog menu and the product submenu and modify this product and fill the blank meta title and meta description for each language, so to get rid of these warnings and to remove these products from this list. And you can see all the products that have issues with the SEO. And on next tab, we help you how to achieve the contact support page. Alright, in the next section there are some settings. that you can change them or fill the information that is necessary to activate this module. You can always use the documentation help file included inside the module. There is a PDF. When you buy the module, you will get a PDF file, which is the help to use this module and configure it correctly. Alright, in the settings menu we have also a few tabs. The first tab, which is general tab, here you can fill information about your shop, and it will add some structured data to your shop for each language. You can fill the information for each language separately here. If I click on English or Persian, I can fill information for each language. You can here set your shop name, shop legal name, shop brand name, a short description between 250 to 500 maximum short description about your shop. Then you can define your shop phone number, such as the sales section, the shop customer support, technical support, and package tracking phone. Then you can define your shop postal address, the country, and the city. And after that, we have the links to your social network accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and etc. Well, let's see how does this structured data works. If I go to the Google and search for the brand Google, here you can see some information about this company. These are the structured data. For instance, here I have the name of this website, and then I have the link to the website of this of the Google. Then I have a short description about this brand and a link to the Wikipedia, some more information, and then you can see here the social network accounts are listed, such as Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and etc. Alright, so by fulfilling these informations, you will have the chance to when a user search for related words to your shop, you'll have the chance that your shop information will show up next to the search results. Alright, the next step is the Open Graphs tab, which actually adds the Open Graphs meta tags to your shop. This is helpful when your shop links are shared on social media. You may have seen that, well, when you share some links of some websites inside the social medias, it will generate an image preview of that link, and also it will provide a title for that link and also a short description and etc. So here you can control if you would like to add the Open Graphs meta tags to your shop, and you can control on which pages you would like to have these Open Graphs tags, and also you can define your shop name and shop homepage title to be shown when your shop links are shared on social media. So let's see how it works. For instance, if I go to this product and copy its link, I will use a website called ShareKit to check the preview of my link. So I will paste the link here, click on customize. I'm not going actually to customize this link. I will just check for the preview. Well, here you can see the rich link. I have an image preview of my product. Here I have the title, and after that I have the short description of this link. So you can imagine how effective would it be if when your customers shared the product link from your shop to inside the social networks such as Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp, and etc. It will show this image and the title, the description, and it would be very effective. And it can increase the visitor to customer rate to the for your shop. After that, we have the Facebook tab, which you can define your Facebook page ID and Facebook app ID, and it will add the module will add the Facebook meta tags. Then inside the Twitter tab, you can define your Twitter username, and the module will automatically generate the Twitter cards for your shop for every page. After that, you can define the Google Plus account inside the Google tab, and it will add the Google Plus publisher meta tag inside the head of your shop. And after that, if you have not created your Google Webmaster account, or if you have created the Google Webmaster but you have not verified it until now, here you can easily copy the code from the Google Webmaster panel and paste it here. Then the module will add the Google Webmaster verification code automatically to the head of your shop, and so the Google Webmaster will recognize and verify your Google Webmaster account for your website. And after that, inside the Advanced tab, we have the category page canonical option, which is especially for PrestaShop 1.6. The PrestaShop 1.6 users may have faced the duplicate content error for their category page. If you activate this option, which works only on PrestaShop 1.6, it will add the rel canonical next and prev links to your category page, so it will prevent the duplicate content, meta description, and duplicate content errors on your category page. And the final part is there's an option to define your blog page name. If you're using a specific blog module for your PrestaShop stores, then you can define the page name, which is for advanced users, and then the module will add the open graph meta tags to your blog page too. All right. After you have fulfilled the and configured this module, there is another part inside the module which is very important that will appear inside your products tab. So if I head into the catalog and the product submenu, I'm sorry, I need to log in again. Okay, if I go to the catalog menu and the product submenu, and for instance, if I head into the for instance, I will check for this product. I'll go to the edit. Well, here you can see a tab called modules, and you can find the iPresta SEO Assist module here, and you can configure it. Alright, I have clicked on the configure. Well, here it will analyze the product name, product short description, and the product's full description, and gives me some information about how SEO friendly it is. It suggests me some solutions to improve my description, and it also suggests some related words which we will check together. So there is three tabs inside this part. The first tab is the name SEO, which gives you some information about your product name for each language separately. For instance, for English language, I have the title of customizable mic. It tells me the length of the product title, which is 16, and if the title is more than 70 characters, it will generate an error here and tells me that I need to reduce the length of my product title. And if the length is okay, then the SEO friendly will be marked as okay here. And in the next part, which is very exciting, it gives me some suggestions about the related to product title, and you can use these suggestions, the related suggestions to your product, inside your product description or inside your product title, so you can make sure that you will achieve all the um, search results when a user search for these words. Then you can make sure that you have these words inside your product details. Alright, you can see that I have the same information for the Persian language. For Farsi language, I have the title, I have the length, and it tells me that the title is okay, and I have some suggestions for the Persian title of my product. Next, we are going to head into the short description SEO, which is very exciting too. Here I have again the information listed for each language separately. It tells me the length of my short description for this product, and it checks if the short description is not more than 800 characters, which is the standard for short descriptions. Your short description should be less than 800 characters, and if so, it will mark my short description as so friendly okay. And I have a section called used word. Well, inside the used word, you can see the list of the words you have used inside your short description for this product, and it tells me that how many times I have used each word. For instance, in this product, I have used each word once. But if, for instance, I have used this word more than once, it will increase the number next to the time. And how it can help you actually, by knowing which words you have used the most, you can see if you have focused on the most important words related to your product or not. For instance, if you are selling a specific watch, and here you can see how many times you have used the words related to that watch inside your short description of that product. And if you have not used the related words, or you have used the non-related words more than the related ones, then you may think of modifying your product short description and use the more related words to your product, so you can make sure that you will improve the results of search engines for your shop. Alright, then I will head to the full description SEO, which is the most exciting part of the iPresta SEO SMO module assistant. Alright, here I have information for each language separately. Well, actually, I have used the lorem ipsum, which is a nonsense text for my product. It's just for showing you how this module works. Well, here I have again the used words. So you can see that I have used this word 8 times, the next one 5 times, the next one 4 times, and blah blah blah. And after that, I have the flash reading is a score, which only works for English text and not for other languages. It only works for English, and it will check the full description of my product and tells me what is my flash reading is a score for this description. What it means, for instance, I have got 32% score for this description, and it tells me that my product full description is difficult to read. And we have put some information about how you can increase your flash reading easy score for your full description of your products inside the modules documentation. And the last part gives you some recommendations about your full description of your product. For instance, it will check if you have used a link inside your full description, which is very important for internal and external link building of your shop and also for your SEO. And then it will check if you have used images inside your full description, which can help users to get more attraction to your shop, and which is very important for the SEO. And then it will check if you have used videos inside your full description, and it recommends you to use a video if it's possible for you, which is helpful for the SEO. And afterwards we have the subheadings. The module will check if you have used subheadings for your product. For instance, if you have put the H2 or H3, well, actually you don't need to use H1, heading because the product title is inside an H1, but you will need to use the H2, H3, and H4 to H6 inside your product full description, which can improve the readability of your description. So let's see how it works. For instance, I will go to the description and there's a bug here. Well, here you can see that I have used the header 2, but if I change it to the paragraph tab and save this product, then go to the modules tab and refresh the page, well, let's see what happens. Yep, you can see that it gives me the error for subheadings. It tells me that I have not used subheadings inside my product full description. Well, we will add exciting new features on each update, so we hope that you enjoy using this module, and goodbye.